What do you think about learning English every day?
I think learning English every day is very helpful because it improves my communication skills.
Do you believe English is important for your future?
Yes, I believe English is important because it helps me communicate with people around the world.
What is your main goal in life right now?
My main goal is to improve my English and build a better future.
Why do you want to improve your English skills?
I want to improve my English because it will help me find better opportunities.
Do you like setting goals for yourself?
Yes, I like setting goals because they help me stay focused and motivated.
What is one short-term goal you have now?
One short-term goal is to practice speaking English every day.
What is one long-term goal you want to achieve?
My long-term goal is to become fluent in English and travel abroad.
Do you think goals are important in life?
Yes, goals are important because they give direction and purpose.
How do you feel when you achieve a goal?
I feel very happy and proud when I achieve my goals.
What do you think about making mistakes when learning?
I think making mistakes is normal and helps me improve faster.
Are you afraid of making mistakes in English?
Sometimes I feel afraid, but I try to be confident and keep practicing.
What do you do when you feel nervous speaking English?
I take a deep breath and try to speak slowly and clearly.
Do you think confidence is important in communication?
Yes, confidence is very important because it helps me express my ideas clearly.
How do you build confidence in speaking English?
I build confidence by practicing daily and speaking with other people.
What do you think about helping other people?
I think helping other people is very important and meaningful in life.
Do you enjoy helping your family and friends?
Yes, I enjoy helping them because it makes me feel happy and useful.
What do you do when someone needs help?
I listen carefully and try to help in the best way possible.
Do you think kindness is important in life?
Yes, kindness is important because it makes the world better.
What do you think about your daily routine?
I think my daily routine is good, but I want to improve it.
Do you want to change anything in your life?
Yes, I want to use my time better and build good habits.
What is one habit you want to build?
I want to build the habit of studying English every day.
What is one bad habit you want to stop?
I want to stop wasting too much time on my phone.
Do you think habits are important for success?
Yes, good habits are very important for achieving success.
What do you think about your future career?
I think my future career will improve if I keep learning.
What job do you want in the future?
I want a job where I can use English and communicate with people.
Why is having a good job important to you?
Having a good job is important because it helps me live comfortably.
Do you want to work in another country someday?
Yes, I want to work abroad and experience a different culture.
What do you need to achieve your career goals?
I need to study hard and improve my skills every day.
What do you think about success in life?
I think success means achieving goals and feeling happy inside.
Do you think money is important for happiness?
Money is important, but happiness also comes from relationships and health.
What makes you feel successful in your life?
I feel successful when I improve myself and reach my goals.
Do you compare yourself with other people?
Sometimes I compare myself, but I try to focus on my progress.
What advice would you give your younger self?
I would tell myself to work hard and never give up.
What do you think about facing challenges in life?
I think challenges help us grow stronger and become more confident.
How do you deal with difficult situations?
I stay calm and try to find solutions step by step.
Do you ask for help when you have problems?
Yes, I ask for help because it makes things easier.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I take a break, relax, and try to think positively.
Do you think staying positive is important?
Yes, staying positive helps me face problems with confidence.
What motivates you to keep working toward your goals?
My dreams and future plans motivate me to keep going.
Do you believe hard work always leads to success?
Yes, hard work increases the chances of achieving success in life.
What do you think about learning from failure?
I think failure teaches valuable lessons and helps me improve.
What is your biggest dream in life?
My biggest dream is to live a happy and successful life.
What advice do you give to people with big dreams?
I advise them to stay focused and never stop working hard.
Do you believe in yourself and your abilities?
Yes, I believe in myself and try to improve every day.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts today.
You are welcome. I am happy to share my ideas with you.